guys, welcome to another episode of this do-it-yourselfer channel. On this episode we're going to be troubleshooting this F-150, and if it happens that you're burning fuse number 14, which is inside to remove it, you got to pull it from here. To pull it, you just pull it from the bottom and you take that cover off here, and fuse 14 is actually this one, which is supposed to be a if I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to be a 10 fuse with number 10, a red one. Somebody put a 15, but you're gonna take the cover out. I'll show you well, but you can take it out, and let's see if it's burned. And the fuse is completely burned. Well, there is quite a few things that it can happen with this vehicle, and I'm gonna explain you what it is. But this is supposed to be a number 10, a red fuse. Somebody put a number 15, I guess, trying to not to burn. Don't do that. But let's troubleshoot it together. Okay guys, so back to fuse number 14 and checking the AC. I put the fuse back on and it worked, and it's working, and I'm gonna test it out. And the fuse number 14, let me tell you what controls, guys. It controls quite a bit of stuff. It controls the reverse backup light, the AC pressure switch, the ABS module, the reverse parking light, and also the daytime running light. I mean, it can control quite a few stuff, but we're gonna have to go with the obvious. And to me, the most obvious things, it could be the lights. Why? Because this is an older truck, and the first thing that I'm gonna go with is with the lights. And when I got on this truck, the first thing I noticed is a broken tail light on the back. So let me show you that. I'll show you that right now. And it's right here. Oh, you see, it's broken. And that makes me feel that and not only that, but the reverse light is broken. So how am I gonna test that? One of the ways to test it is if I'm gonna put it on reverse, and if it burns the fuse right away, well, I found my problem, and that's what I'm gonna do next. Alright guys, the moment of truth. AC is on. I'm gonna put it on reverse, and AC is working, and I'm gonna put it on reverse, and bingo. Yep, this thing stopped working. There's hot air coming out now. Yeah, that's what the problem is. So I'm gonna replace that, and I think problem is solved. All right, so We said that every time we press reverse, the fuse get burned, and obviously every time it rains, that's when it happens the worst. So obviously something is going on when it rains, and press that reverse. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna replace the whole tail light to fix the problem. If I don't replace it, I'm gonna keep changing the fuse, and I'm not gonna fix the problem. So let's go ahead and fix the problem. So if you open the tail light, you got two small bolts right there, as you can see right there. And we're gonna find the correct one. Let's see. That's probably a, yeah, this is a 5/16. It's a 5/16 socket. And we're gonna remove it. This should be a pretty easy job. Remove it. And I got the tail light out. Or once you have that loose, it should come out. Let's see. Unless we have another one. Let's see, let me check. And you don't, all you have to do is push it, and you have those little pins on the back. They're holding the tail light. And as you can see, you only have two lights in here. And what you do is you turn it to disconnect it. You kind of twist it and pull it out. And I got one, and the second one is the same thing. Turn it and pull it. Oh, you can see what a mess over here. You can see how bad it is. All right. So I'm gonna take that out with some needle nose, and like I said, I'm gonna take these out with needle nose, just like that. And I'm gonna try to clean. It'll be a good idea to put a little bit of that little grease that they use, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna put it. See, it was probably humidity was getting inside, and I'm gonna put the new light bulb inside. I don't know, it seems like if this is burned too, it's not a good idea to touch it. I already touched it, but it's not a good idea to touch the bulbs with your hand. Anyway, I'm just gonna clean it a little bit in here. And I'm gonna proceed by putting the new tail light, which I bought it pretty cheap, 28 bucks, something like that. It wasn't that bad. It's not that bad. All right. And same thing. You put it and twist it, and it kind of lock up. You kind of put it in and twist it. There you go. Same thing with the bottom one. See if the camera can capture it better, because it is kind of tight. Let me see. Let's see if the camera can capture it. I don't have the space to do it, but okay, there it is. There it is, just like that. Oh, okay, it went in, and then you lock it in place. And once it goes in, you lock it in place. And the lights are in. Now, you see that? Those holes, you're gonna push it in, press it, and this thing is supposed to go in. Let's see. Okay, there's two holes right here. And these things are supposed to go out. So, made a mistake right here. Made a mistake, I'm sorry. We gotta make sure we got it into those pinholes, top and bottom, and at the same time make sure it aligns with the pinholes on the back, and push it in. There you go. You know you got it right if the holes over here aligns. And all we gotta do is put the bulbs back on. And we got the light. And we got the brand new tail light fixed. As long as the new reverse light, and hopefully the AC is going to work and it's not going to burn the fuse anymore. And look at that beauty. It's brand new, looks nice, and we're going to fix the AC at the same time. And I'm going to put that. So now all we have to do is put the fuse back on, number 10 amps, not 15, that's what it had, 10 amps. I'm gonna put it back on. Oh, I have put another 15 in place, but I'm gonna put the correct one. I'm gonna put the number 10, which is the one that is supposed to have. Okay, remember 1, 2, 3 is this one. 1, 2, 3, that's the 14, that's the number 14. And put the covers back on. Okay, so we're putting the cover back on in here. To pull it, just pull it from the bottom, and you take that cover off, and we're gonna put the cover back on in here. This is kind of annoying. It's kind of, you see these little legs, little clips that it has. The legs go in there, and you just kind of push it, and that's it. To remove it, you got to pull it from here, and that covers the fuses. And that's it. We're gonna test the vehicle. We're gonna test the AC and see how it goes. So here it goes, the moment of truth. I'm gonna turn off the AC. I'm gonna turn on the vehicle. and I'm gonna turn on the AC. And the AC is on. Really good. All right. Yeah, it's on. Awesome. I'm gonna put it on reverse. And the AC is still on. Yep. So, it didn't burn the fuse. Still on. Okay. And that seems like if it solves the problem. I got it nice and cold. I put her in reverse and it's still working like a champ. Awesome. Alright guys. So I hope you like this video. I hope you solved the same problem. And if you liked it, please put the thumb up on your YouTube, bring the bell on, and subscribe to my channel. Because that really helped me out to grow on my channel. All right. Well, thank you so much, and I'll see you on another video of mine. I have hundreds of them.